the product we want to produce is brick. As we know, the use of brick is very widespread in the construction world. So the concept that we are focusing on for our product is based on plant-based. As you can see, the name of this product is hempcrete, but we want to innovate this product using bamboo plant. As everyone knows, bamboo is a plant which are readily available both locally and abroad. One more thing, bamboo is easy to grow and it is not a problem to produce this product continuously. Why we choose bamboo as the main material in our products? This is because bamboo acts as a fiber reinforced polymer biocomposite materials. Besides that, bamboo is also an environmentally friendly plant, and of course, it is suitable for building materials in our country because the climate in our country is hot and humid.
So our product we use is plant-based concept which are related to environmental. So why we use the plant-based? Of course, surely it can increase the global environmental concern and awareness of renewable green resources, which is continuously expanding the demand for eco-friendly, sustainable and biodegradable. As we can see the slide, the originality hemp which have detail about hempcrete. One of the characteristics are strong, lightweight and breathable. That is the hemp. But for our material, which are bamboo, it is a suitable material because it is natural, cheap and also available material. From the test, result has shown that bamboo has similar characteristics with steel, and bamboo can be used as alternative material. For the next slide shows the hempcrete size, which are length 255 mm, height 205 mm and width 25.4 mm.
Development process for equipment machinery is a mixer machine, model JZC 500 concrete mixture, charging with a capacity 800 liters. Our materials for the hempcrete, we use a bamboo plant for mixing concretes. The bamboo plant is 2 times stronger than the concretes. For cement, for the mixing, we use a cement and add up with water in the ratio 4.5 and to 7 gallons for water for the mixture. And for the process in installation in hempcrete, first of all we bind the cement mixture and insert the bamboo plants and cement all together, and mix the bamboo pulps until they coated with cements. Test the meat whether too much dry or too much clumsy. After we put the hempcrete to the strip molds, we put the hempcrete to the dry place and wait until 10 days and ready to use. Cost of a hempcrete production, mixing machine is 700. Hempcrete materials is per bag is 30 ringgit. Cement bag per price is 50 kilos in 1 pallet is 160 ringgit.
Advantage for our product hempcrete: first, affordable. Even before the widespread market availability and cost saving that would result, the cost for hempcrete was comparable to other insulation solutions while providing benefit over those options in other way. Second, lightweight. It can be used in place of traditional masonry material, so this reduces the load on foundation because it is lightweight material. Third, environmentally friendly. The use of lime and water help to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere. It also acts as carbon sink. And then durable. Once cured outside, hemp wool should be coated with hemp lime or other natural render or breathable finish. Aside than that, this hemp line need to particular weather protection. And the last one is non-toxic building material. Relatively safe material, fewer pesticide and herbicide are needed in growing, resulting in lost environmental harm from the use of poison on the field. The disadvantage of this product is first, difficult to work with. The resulting hempcrete is often difficult to install because it must be able to accommodate the installation process. Second is pricely, requires higher cost in terms of manufacturing and production. And the last one is not widely accepted. Although hempcrete is becoming more popular in the United States, there are very few installation professionals. There is a relative scarcity of builders and architects who are conversant with the product. So this has led to long delay for hempcrete homes to be built. Client, we have two. First, contractor using conventional method. The market focus is on construction contractor, especially housing. In Malaysia, not all contractors using IPS for the project. A few contractors still using conventional method, especially housing contractor and new contractor. Most of the housing construction low price using an affordable material, but the quality is questionable, especially from brick. So, hempcrete is a new innovation to replace construction brick. In terms of the price, is it affordable? Although it is a little more expensive than regular construction brick, but it is more economical due to its large size. So, one hempcrete can cover 3 regular brick price. Okay, second is hardware owner. One of our goal is to further expand the use of hempcrete by ensuring that our products are approved and supplied to every hardware in Malaysia. We know not all contractors will direct to the factory even though the price is cheap due to remote and a different location factor depending on their project site. So, we will market to each hardware to make it easier for contractors to get this hempcrete and at affordable price.
First of all, marketing. Comparison between hempcrete and briquex. First characteristic is material. Hempcrete, we use granulated cork, cellulosic palm, recycling of paper, reduces and bamboo fabric. For briquex, cement, sandstone, dust and proportions. Design. This is our design for hempcrete and another one briquex. For next comparison, quality. For hempcrete, lightweight, carbon negative construction blocks. Hempcrete has a compressive strength of 0.5 MPa to 3.5 MPa or PSI, 72.5 to 507 PSI. At the best, that is 16.9 of the strength of standard concrete. For briquex, dimension accuracy, durable, sound resistant. Briquex acts as a compressive strength of 17 MPa, 2500 PSI, rising to 28 MPa, 4000 PSI. At the best is 16% of the strength of standard concrete. Characteristic is size. For hempcrete, 205 mm times with 255 mm. The thickness is 25.4 mm. The weight is 1292.74 per piece. For briquex, dimension is 600 mm times with 200 mm. Thickness is 100 mm. The weight is 8 kilo per gram. 8 kilograms per piece. And the cost is 10 ringgit per piece. For briquex, 6 ringgit per piece.